is Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts, like makeup, like fashions. So if you like those kind of videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, we're going to get straight into this because I have 7 items to try on for you guys. But this is my Wantable style edit for the month of March. Now, I don't get this box every month like my Stitch Fix. I get this one every 3 months. And the reason is, quite honestly, the pieces are a little bit more expensive. So I ration this out every 3 months. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to go straight into it. Like I said, I'm going to talk about the item, give you the price and the details, and you will see me trying it on the other side of the screen. So the first item I'll show you is this one, and this is the Floral long sleeve mesh top in black floral for $34. Now this is a very, very lovely blouse. Before you see me trying it on, I want to show you the sleeves. I truly appreciate the sleeves. They are completely sheer, but they have that beautiful rose design on this. And I just love this shirt. I already know I am definitely keeping this shirt. This is the keeper of the box, 100%. This is staying with me. This is such my style. I love the V-neck top right here. I love that the top, the whole layering piece is a mesh style. And then you have like a built-in top underneath it, like a built-in tank, for lack of better words. It fits very nicely. It's very lightweight. I could see going into springtime with this. And it keeps your arms covered, but at the same time, it's not covered, if you know what I mean, because the top is so sheer. So I really love this top, and this is definitely going to be a keeper. Now, the next item out that I'm going to show you is these, and these are your Democracy, and these are cuffed ankle skimmers in indigo for $68. And I am a big time lover of Democracy jeans, to say the least. And I have been looking for a dark wash Democracy Absolution jeans. And these jeans are known for, the reason I personally like them is this waistline is so comfortable. It has a cute back detail here where it has like, it goes down a little bit right here. It has a little emblem on the pocket. It is a 5-pocket design. Now it does come cuffed, and they're calling this an ankle skimmer, but I also on one leg unrolled it completely, where you could also just wear it like that. So you could wear it rolled or unrolled. Perfect length for me, actually. So I am thinking highly about this. So definitely leave me your opinions on what you think of these jeans in the description or in the comment section below. Okay, and to top all those pieces off, I will talk about this jacket. And I'm holding this jacket, and let me tell you, there's some weight in this jacket. I think you could wear this in the wintertime, and it's probably going to keep you warm unless it's like below 0. But it's a pretty heavy, substantial jacket, I have to say. It is a hooded faux leather jacket in black from Coalition, and it's $78. Now, I think the thing that makes it very heavy is that it does have a liner on the inside where you can just zip it up. It's more like a hoodie material. And then it also does have a hoodie in the back. The sleeves have this cuff detail right here, and it keeps your hand, the wind from blowing up through your arms. It has these cute little pockets in the front. I truly love this jacket, but I can tell you I'm not going to keep this jacket because I already got some black leather jackets. Actually, I got 2. But if you are looking for a nice leather jacket that's very heavy and substantial and will keep you warm, I really like this. I thought it was very comfortable. I love the seaming in the back. Yeah, so overall, an awesome jacket. Just, I'm not going to keep it because I don't need it. Okay, and the next item you will see me in is this. And this is, let's see, the zebra. This is from Democracy too. The jeans were from Democracy, and I have been seeing Democracy start making tops. And I don't know if this is a recent discovery, or have I just been in the dark and not aware that they were making tops. I always just thought they were jeans. But if anybody knows, let me know in the comment section if that's something new they've been doing, or I just haven't been paying attention. But this is called the Zebra High-Low Sweater in Eggplant for $78. Now I can tell you I'm not going to be keeping this overall. It's just not really my style, even though I love Democracy. I will say it is a very good quality. The neckline is nice and soft. It does not choke you, and it feels nice against your throat, but it gives you that turtleneck almost kind of look without choking you. It does have these nice cuffed sleeves right here. It has a split hem at the bottom with some ribbing detail also. And the material on this is 60% acrylic, 20% cotton, and 20% polyester. And the care instructions on this are hand wash cold. Yeah, so this just isn't my personal style, especially for the price. I would probably reach for this maybe once a year. So this is not going to be a contender for me, but I think the quality is good, and I think it felt nice, but it's just not me. Now let's see what else I have. Oh, yes. Now I also have this top, and I kind of like this one, and this is a kimono sleeve v-neck tie hem knit top in the color surf blue for $58. Oh, and this is a Democracy top too. Wow, okay. I did not even realize that. But it also has the little tie detail at the bottom. Now, I'm going to hold this up close to the camera so you guys can see. It does have some holes, a hole pattern just into the material. So you would definitely have to wear, I don't know, some kind of small little tank underneath that to keep your bra from showing. So I wasn't a big fan of that, but I did like the neckline. I liked the sleeves. The sleeves were nice and comfortable. Overall, not a bad shirt, but you know, $58, I wasn't exactly in love, but I didn't dislike it. So I'm not talking bad about it. It's just for the price, I want love. Okay, now the last two pieces I have are workout outfit. So we will start with the pants first. And these are some leggings. These are wide waistband leggings in black for $48. And this is by Search for Sanity. Now, I was not even looking for yoga pants, but I got to admit, these are really nice. I mean, they have this band that just sucked my belly in and just made a nice flat. They felt super comfortable. You can tell when you put cheap leggings on and when you put nice quality leggings on. I'm going to give 2 thumbs up to these leggings, and I am not a big legging person. I work out in my home, in the privacy of my own home. I have my treadmill sitting right over there. So I really don't have a tendency to invest money in workout gear. But I have to say, if you are looking for a good pair of yoga pants, I'm going to leave all the information in the description. I would highly, highly recommend these. I thought they were excellent. And if I worked out at a gym or somewhere like that, these would not be going back in the bag. But I'm home alone and I don't care. I've worked out in cutoff shorts that, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm just not investing in workout gear. And this top makes an excellent top too, with the yoga pants, and this is by Z Supply, and this is the Vagabond tank in taupe for $44. And I just love the whole design, the cut of this. It was not form-fitting and restrictive, and like I said, if I worked out at a gym, this entire outfit the top and the yoga pants would be mine, and I would be wearing them quite often. So I truly like this, but this is not going to be a keeper just because I'm not going to spend, what would that be, $100 for a workout outfit that nobody's ever going to see me in. So that's not going to happen. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we'll do the wrap up. Like I said, the yoga pants and the workout top are going to be a no-go just because they don't fit my lifestyle, but excellent items. This top here is probably going to be a no-go for me. I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. And like Alicia Martin said on her channel, she's concentrating on more love items, and I completely agree with her, because when you're getting all these boxes, this stuff starts adding up, and you got to start being more, you know, discreet with what you're buying, because I have bought stuff and then sit in the closet and then not use it. So I am trying to be more cautious. Oh, and by the way, the shirt I'm wearing today is from my last Stitch Fix box. If you have not seen that video, I will leave a link up here. And also this bracelet that I'm wearing came out of my last single swag box, and I will leave a link to that box also. Okay, let's finish this wrap up because I'm going all over the place today. Okay, so also the sweater, that's going to be a no-go. It just wasn't my personal style. Good quality, and liked it quite a bit. And like I said, the black jacket, excellent jacket. I'd give it a 10 all day long. I would completely buy it if I needed a black jacket. Excellent jacket, but just don't need it. This top, completely keeping. I love it. And I'm highly thinking of the Democracy jeans. I think they fit me good. They're comfortable. And I've been wanting a dark pair. So these are probably going to be my two keepers. I would love to hear what you guys thought. What were your favorites, even if they weren't keepers of mine? And do you think I should rethink something? Maybe I'm sending something back. And yeah, because sometimes you guys see things I don't even see. Yeah, so I hope everyone's having a good day out there. I have another Stitch Fix box coming very soon, so keep an eye out for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.